all, just doing a real quick video on the Carlisle 480603 black 6-inch plastic palm tongs. Now there's so many different uses you can be able to do with these tongs. They're so versatile. But for this particular video, I just wanted you to be able to see it in action with my dehydrated pineapple. And it's really nice. I like to have dehydrated pineapple. They're so good and they're so sweet. And they're chewy and so good. I'm munching on some while I do the video. This is really good. But your guests and your loved ones can easily be able to grab it and use it. And that way they don't have to touch it, because for dehydrated food, you really don't want to touch it because your hands have oil on it. So you should either be using tongs like these black 6-inch tongs, or you should be using gloves. But they work great. Look at that. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching.